Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve back health with Theragun, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the right Theragun model for your needs. Before starting, familiarize yourself with the device and read any user manuals provided. Find a quiet and comfortable space to relax. Begin your session by warming up your back muscles with gentle movements or stretches. These can be simple side bends or forward folds to increase blood flow. Next, turn on your Theragun and select the appropriate speed setting. Adjust the speed based on your comfort level and the intensity of your muscles. Start with the lower back, applying gentle pressure. Use slow, sweeping motions while gliding the device horizontally across the muscle. Focus on the areas where you feel tightness or discomfort. Work your way up to the mid-back region, maintaining gentle pressure. Consider using the round attachment to cover larger muscle groups effectively. Spend about 2 minutes on each targeted area. If you encounter a knot, slow down and hold the Theragun on that spot for a few seconds. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the process. Switch to the upper back, using the same gliding motion and pressure. Incorporate a vertical approach for areas along the spine. Once you've covered the major muscle groups, return to any spots that need extra attention. After completing the massage, sit or lie down for a few minutes to relax. Hydrate adequately to help flush out any toxins released during the massage. If you are new to Theragun, limit your session to 10 minutes. Gradually increase the duration as your comfort and familiarity grow. Consider incorporating Theragun into your regular wellness routine for best results. Always listen to your body and adjust pressure and speed accordingly. End your session with light stretches to further enhance relaxation. Finally, store your Theragun properly after use to extend its life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.